Got a lot of questions about our newly upgraded Locked MG1 MD1 ECU Read, Write, and Lock feature. Today we are answering all of them. The KeyMaster G3, DC706, and the ECU Master all supports unlocking. The KeyMaster G3 requires MD1 programmer and the C406 adapter. The DC706 requires MD1 programmer and the C406 adapter. The ECU Master only requires the C406 adapter. The C406 is a universal adapter with high compatibility, allowing you to easily read, write, and unlock Locked MG1 ECUs. No, as long as your device's annual subscription is valid. The unlock function is free to use with no extra fees. Yes, you need to open the ECU case and solder in the corresponding pins to enter both mode for unlocking. ECU unlocking involves certain risks and requires professional skills. Please pay attention to the following precautions before performing the operation. Opening the case. If you are inexperienced, prying tools can damage the PCB. We recommend heating the sealant first to soften it. Don't worry, we will be posting an ECU opening tutorial soon. Wearing power. A sudden power loss or accidental wiring disconnection during the unlocking process may cause the operation to fail. In severe cases, it may damage the ECU or result in communication failure. For BMW B48, B57, B58 ECUs, we recommend using the ECM003 dedicated harness to minimize wiring errors. Component handling. The ECU PCBs require the removal of small SMD resistors. Improper handling may result in lost components, damaged solder pads, or damaged PCB traces due to excessive soldering heat. So we highly recommend leaving this to technicians with basic electronic repair experience. No, the unlock and data read-write operations can only be done with your devices. Once the operation is finished and you exit the software, the ECU will automatically relock as soon as it loses power. It currently supports BMWS reading. With SN modification under development, it also supports flash and EEPROM read-write. And flash read-write comes with checksum support. Yes, we are developing dedicated harness. For example, the ECM003 is specifically designed for BMW B48, B57, B58 models. No, our ECU data read through our device is unencrypted and fully compatible with third-party tools. There are strict guidelines for this selection. We highly recommend using a professional stable power supply rated at 60 watt or above, with an output voltage of 13 to 14. If you have the ECU Master, you can just use the included power supply. Warning: avoid non-professional power supplies. Some power supplies on the market suffer from false power ratings and unstable output. Voltage fluctuations during operation can easily damage the ECU. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.